How to add subtitles to a video automatically with Veed. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add subtitles to a video automatically with Veed. So Veed is a powerful editor which can help you to add subtitles automatically. So here I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and head over to the Veed. And here make sure that you're logged in with your account. And here, once inside the Veed, just click on new project, and after that you'll be prompted to this page. And now here, once you're inside this page, just click on the upload button, and after that a files window will appear. From that window, simply select the video that you want to upload, and here once you have uploaded the video to the timeline, if you want to add subtitles to the video, just look at the left hand side and there you can see the option labeled as subtitles. So simply click on that, and now here inside the subtitles, there you can see the option labeled as auto subtitles. So simply click on that. And once you click on it, the Veed will start generating the subtitles. And here, once it's done generating the subtitles, you can select the fonts that you like. And here, once you have done selecting the fonts, you have successfully added beautiful subtitles to a video automatically with the help of Veed. And here, if you want to export it, you can just click on the download button shown in the top right corner of the screen, and from there you can simply export the video. And that's it. That's how you can add subtitles to a video automatically with Veed. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.